We're going to see if you encounter the error in EAFC 25 where it is RTAO without ray tracing enabled properly, which basically is a problem which makes the game unavailable for you to play. What will be the solution for that? So the solution for that basically is what you need to do is you need to go into GeForce Experience, and from there you will click details on EAFC 25. From there you will click revert. There will be to the right and it is fixed. And for reference, this is the screenshot. This is what you need to do after you open GeForce Experience and you open AFC 25. From there, you'll simply just go to in-game. You'll see revert right here. You'll need to press on this revert and this will work. Now, if this doesn't work, you can contact their help support, you can contact their technical support, and they will be able to check out this problem for you, since sometimes this problem can be from their side as well, and until they don't see and fix it, it won't work. So if this doesn't work like this, if you can't find a solution, you will be able to contact their help support. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.